Magandang araw! Ang ibabahagi ko ngayong araw ay ang ika-4 na stage ng Cognitive Development Theory. Ito ay tinatawag bilang Formal Operational Stage.
Magbasa, makinig, matuto at magsaya. Ako si Binibining Menya. Handa na ba kayo? Tara na, umpisa na nating isa-isahin at pirapirasuhin ang mga detalyeng nakapaloob dito.
Maaari kong ibigay ang soft copy ng video na ito, mag-email ka lamang o kaya naman ay mag-message sa aking Facebook page. Ilalagay ko ang aking email sa gitnang bahagi ng video at ang Facebook page naman ay sa huling bahagi matatagpuan. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Katulad ng binanggit ko kanina, ang ibabahagi ko ngayong araw ay ang Formal Operational Stage. When kids reach around 11 years old, they enter a new stage called the Formal Operational Period. In this stage, they start to think in a more grown-up way. They can now think about abstract ideas, like things that are not just right in front of them. They also get better at organizing and sorting things in a smart way. And they can do more complex thinking and problem solving. Ang mga individual na under ng formal operational stage ay nakagagawa na ng abstract reasoning at may ability na to think logically at mas develop na kumpara sa concrete operational stage. Kung sa mga unang stages, ang nauunawaan lang ay simpleng math, dito sa formal operational ay nauunawaan ng algebra. Teenagers can think carefully and figure out possibilities, not just what is right in front of them. But not everyone reaches this stage. Ayon kay Mr. John PJ, hindi lahat ng individual ay umaabot dito sa formal operational stage. This helps them understand things like ethics and science fiction, and they can also think like scientists to solve problems. Teenagers can understand tricky concepts like fractions and division without physically things up. They can also solve pretend problems that are not really but help them learn. Kung sa mga unang stages, kapag may fraction and division, kailangan pang gumamit ng pizza o kaya naman ng pie, dito sa formal operational stage ay hindi na. Kadalasan din yung mga individual na under na ng formal operational stage, kapag may math problem, imbes na gamitin yung tinurong formula ay gumagawa sila ng sarili nilang formula na kung saan mas nagiging madali. When we do concrete operations, we are working with real things. But with formal operations, we are working with ideas. In formal operational thinking, we can think without being limited by what we see or feel. At this stage, teenagers can handle tricky concepts without needing real-life examples, like understanding fractions without picturing a cake or sharing candies. Katulad nga ng binanggit ko kanina bilang halimbawa. They can understand how an argument is structured without needing to think about specific examples. Teenagers can tackle problems that could have lots of different answers. For example, if they were asked what would happen if money disappeared in just 1 hour, they could think of many different things that might occur. Yung mga individual na under ng formal operational stage, kaya na nilang sumagot ng mga tanong na situational o base sa kanilang sariling pananaw or opinyon. Narito ang aking sanggunian ng mga impormasyong nakatala sa bawat slides. Kung interesado kayo na magbasa pa, maaari niyong bisitahin ang website na ito. The formal operational stage, dito na nagtatapos ang aking pagbabahagi. Sana ay marami kayong natutuhan. Muli, magbasa, makinig, matuto at magsaya. Ako si Binibining Menya. Paalam!